Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we will talk about logos. Logo is your face in the internet world. So your logo should be catching. You don't need to be a graphic designer to have a good logo. You only need an internet connection. In this video, I will show you how to create awesome logo, and I will give you a few tips. Before starting, if you are still not subscribed my channel, don't forget subscribe. First, open your search engine and write free logo maker. When you enter website, a video will be open. You can learn how to use the site in detail from this video. Let's look website user interface. You can find logos and graphics from the search box above, and you can use the toolbar to create text, shapes, add color, and more from left. Finally, you can see the logo from the top right. You can save your work in low resolution for free directly to your computer or purchase high resolution format to get print quality and social media files. This way you can design your own logo. Now, I will give you tips for the great logo. First of all, your logo should be minimal, so easily readable and memorable. Your logo must be unique. You can also add slogan related to your brand. It is very important that the logo is readable, so don't use interesting fonts. Finally, your logo should be suitable for industry. You can design a logo considering this. In this video, we will talk about how to make awesome logo. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have questions, you can ask in the comment section. See you in another video.